I've had this mic for 10, maybe 12 years. I really love this mic, and it fell from a stand because it's pretty heavy. It fell from the stand and this got busted. The metal here got all busted and janky, and the janky metal pierced the foam. And it's a $500 mic, so instead of buying a new mic, I looked online and I found a place that actually sold parts for it. I think it's SFM. You could look it up. That's the dealer for Canada. This is the kit that I bought. It's a grill and a new foam. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to replace the grill and put the new foam on top, and it's going to be as good as new. There's one really tricky bit about this, and if you don't do it right, the mic will be loose and won't be able to hold. This ring has to go inside these two washers that are here. Except you can't put it before, because if I put it before, then the ring will prevent this screw from going into this slot. So you have to put the screw in, because the screw is flat on one side, then you put the ring in. The ring has to go through that thingy, and then it won't go in the washers. You have to lift those washers somehow and make the ring go through. So I'm going to use this screwdriver. You have to push it in and raise the washer so that this ring goes inside those washers on both sides. So if the ring was not pushed deep enough, then when you put the final bit, it wouldn't be able to tighten this so that the mic can hold. And the washers on top also have to go in on the ring, on the brass ring. Both of them. The silver one is a bit more annoying. The last one doesn't go inside the brass ring because it's shaped exactly like the screw. It's just meant as a tightening. And now we can adjust the mic because the screws are tight. Very important to get all those washers on the brass ring, or else the mic will be super loose and you won't be able to, it won't hold. And for the pièce de résistance, see there's like little pins here and a plastic ring. So you just have to slide it on, push it properly so you don't rip it. Once it's snug, just have to clip that plastic ring inside the metal receptacle. The only thing I'm sad about is that the new piece doesn't have the sticker that says Shure SM7B. No big deal, still gonna work super well. Let's test it out.
Sing to me, you're a silent radio. Sing to me and keep it slow. Sing to me, you're a silent radio. Sing, I'm feeling low. so low. Please never let me go. I'm so